day everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ku Li Shue. In this channel, you will learn a lot of math lessons, mental math techniques, and math tricks. Please like, share, and subscribe. Do not forget to click the notification bell so that you will be updated of our next videos. Enjoy watching and learning.
It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive.
In this video, we will apply the mental math calculation techniques and skills that you learned from the previous videos to more challenging rapid calculation exercises. This time, we will multiply very large numbers by 11 mentally with speed and accuracy. Are you ready? Multiply the following numbers in 30 seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Time is up. The final answers are the following. Number 1. 4,235 times 11 is equal to 46,585. Number 2. 21,543 times 11 is equal to 236,973. Number 3. 38,496 times 11 is equal to 493,456. Number 4. 625,872 times 11 is equal to 6,884,592. And number 5. 8,471,976 times 11 is equal to 93,191,736. Now, let us discuss each item using the shortcut method we learned from mental math technique numbers 2 and 3. To get the product of 4,235 times 11, let us follow these steps. Step 1. Copy 5 as the units digit of the product. Step 2. Add 3 and 5 to get the tens digit of the product, which is 8. Step 3. Add 2 and 3 to get the hundredths digit of the product, which is 5. Step 4. Add 4 and 2 to get the next digit, 6. And step 5. Copy 4 as the 10,000th digit of the product. Therefore, 4,235 times 11 is equal to 46,585. In 21,543 times 11, copy 3 as the units digit. Then add 4 and 3 to get the tens digit, 7. Next, add 5 and 4 to get the hundreds digit, 9. After that, you add 1 and 5 to get the thousands digit, 6. Then add 2 and 1 to get the 10,000th digit, 3. And lastly, copy 2 as the 100,000th digit of the product. Therefore, 21,543 times 11 will give you a product of 236,973. In 38,496 times 11, copy 6 as the units digit of the product. Then add 9 and 6, which results to 15. From here, copy 5 as the tens digit and carry 1 to the sum of the next consecutive digits, 4 and 9. So 4 plus 9 is 13, plus 1 is equal to 14. From this sum, copy 4 and carry 1 to the sum of 8 and 4, which is 12 plus 1 is 13. From 13, copy 3 and carry 1 to the sum of 8 and 3, which is 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. From 12, copy 2. Then add 3 and 1 to get the 100,000th digit of the product, which is 4. Therefore, the product of 38,496 times 11 is 423,456. In 625,872 times 11, the product can be obtained by, first, copy 2 as the units digit of the product. Then add 7 and 2, which results to 9. Next, add 8 and 7, which results to 15. From here, copy 5 as the hundredths digit. Then carry 1 to the sum of 8 and 5, which is 13, plus 1 is 14. From 14, copy 4 as the thousandths digit. Then carry 1 to the sum of 2 and 5, which is 7, plus 1 is equal to 8, which is the 10,000th digit of the product. Then add 6 and 2, which is 8. And then copy 6 as the millionth digit of the product. Therefore, the product of 625,872 times 11 is 6,884,592. And for the last item, 8,471,976 times 11, the product can be obtained by, first, copy 6 as the units digit of the product. Then add 7 and 6, which results to 13. Copy 3, then carry 1 to the sum of 9 and 7, 16, plus 1 is 17. From here, copy 7 as the hundredths digit, then carry 1 to the sum of 1 and 9, which is 10, plus 1 is 11. From 11, copy 1 as the thousandths digit, then carry 1 to the sum of 7 and 1, which is 8, plus 1 is 9. 9 here is the 10,000th digit of the product. Next, add 4 and 7, which results to 11. From 11, copy 1 as the 100,000th digit of the product and carry 1 to the sum of 8 and 4. 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So from 13, copy 3 and carry 1 to the last digit 8. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 9 here is the 10 millionth digit of the product. Therefore, the product of 8,471,976 times 11 is 93,191,736. As a follow-up exercise, multiply each of the following mentally with speed and accuracy in 5 seconds. Are you ready? Number 1. Ready? Start. Time is up. The correct answer is 3,254 times 11 is equal to 35,794. Number 2. Ready? Start. Time is up. The correct answer is 6,843 times 11 is equal to 75,273. Number 3. Ready? Start. Time is up. The correct answer is 92,785 times 11 is equal to 1,020,000 635. Number 4. Ready? Start. Time is up. The correct answer is 45,839 times 11 is equal to 504,229. And for number 5, answer this in 10 seconds. Ready? Start. Time is up. The correct answer is 168,532,793 times 11 is equal to 1,853,860,723. I hope you enjoyed and learned a lot from this video, and I hope that your mental math skill has improved a lot. Continue to practice constantly. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in our next videos. God bless.